Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add a buy button to your Shopify store. So first you have to go to this settings option, and once you land over here on the settings option, just scroll down a little bit until you see this apps and sales channels. And once you click this, you're going to land over here on this interface. Just click Shopify App Store, and once you click the Shop Shopify store, you're going to land over here and just search for buy button over here and press enter, and then it's just going to load buy button apps for you. You just have to select a free one. This one's free. I'm going to click this one, and once I click this, it's going to load, and then just click install over here. And once you click install, it's going to start installing. It's going to show you a prompt of install. It's going to redirect you to this very interface where you have to click install app and add sales channel. And once you click add sales channel, now you can just click create buy button over here. Once it's loaded, I'm going to show you how. Now click create a buy button over here. Now you have to choose one, product buy button or collection buy button. I'm going to click product buy button because this is recommended for entire collection on a full page. Obviously we are going to do that for a single product. Just choose a product that you want to add a buy button for, click select, and here you can see that now you can always just customize it the way you want to. You can here this is out of stock, and you can always choose add product to cart, or you can just choose direct to checkout, open product details, whatever you want. And then you can always click next, and once you click next, just if you want to keep customizing, you can keep customizing, or you can just copy code. You can click to copy code and then paste it into the HTML editor of the web page where you want to display it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can add a buy button to your Shopify store or a product. And I hope you like the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.